Hello, thank you for stopping by my channel. This is just going to be a very quick video on how to do your brows using Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz and Brow Definer. So keep watching for some quick and easy tips on how to use those products. So I have already applied the rest of my face makeup except my eyebrows. To start, the first great tip I got from Michelle Money, a makeup course that I'm taking with her, is after you've already applied your other makeup, actually go over your brows with something like a Q-tip, a cotton ball, Kleenex, something like that. And what we're doing here is you don't really realize that there is excess product on your brows already, and by removing that product that's already there, it's going to make our eyebrow product apply better and easier. So for this video today, I'm going to be using two products from Anastasia Beverly Hills. One product is the Brow Wiz, and that is an ebony. And then I'm also using the Brow Definer, and that is also an ebony. So one thing I really like about both of these products is that they do come with a spoolie on one end. And when you're in a hurry or when you're on the go, that's going to make it easier for you to have everything in one spot, to just go ahead and start by brushing out your brows. And I'm going to start with the Brow Wiz first because it's much thinner. There is a swatch of the Brow Wiz in ebony. Okay, so where your eyebrow should start is, if you can kind of imagine a line that goes from the inside of your eye up to your brow, that is where your brow should start. If you do a line from your nose 3/4 of the way out, that is where your arch should be. And then if you do a line from the end of your eye out and up, that is where the end of your brow should be. So starting with the Brow Wiz, which is smaller, we're starting to just build in a little line here. And it's easier to do with the Brow Wiz because it's smaller and more exact, if you're looking for something really exact. And we're going to put that line up from where we want it to start all the way towards the arch. Kind of just smooth it over the arch and then taper out and down that way. So getting that first line in is going to help us just start to build out that brow. And then I think this Brow Definer is just even easier and faster. So there's the wider line, and then you can also do a straight line using this tool. So you could just use the Brow Definer. I just think the Brow Wiz is easier, and I already had that, so I can use them together. And the nice thing is, since they're the same product, they're both from Anastasia Beverly Hills, they match perfectly. So that is really convenient that you can use them together if you want. If you were going to use one, you could use one or the other. The Brow Wiz is going to take longer because it's tiny, but you can stroke in little look of the hairs. Or I would say the Brow Definer is a lot faster if you're looking for something faster for every day. So now I'm going to use the Brow Definer and just go in and add some shading right above that line that we've already put in with the Brow Wiz. And kind of just start blending that out a little bit. And then I'm going to go back with the Brow Wiz because I want to put in my line on the top. And we want this line to match here. So kind of just, you can draw in a very light line there, because we want this inner brow part to be lighter than the outer part. And then you can just kind of draw in here. One of these lights is making noise and it's really bothering me. I think it's this one. Anyway, so then just keep drawing that line line in there. And now I'm going to go back with the brow definer because it's faster and just go ahead and fill the rest of that in. And then, like I said, on the inside here, just try to keep it as light as possible to make it a little bit more ombre. Make it a little darker out towards the end. And a little lighter here. And if you want, you can definitely go in with the brow wiz too and kind of touch up a little. And that is usually all I do. You can also use, you know, if you want to blend this more, you can like blend it more with the spoolie. You can use a brow gel also if you need to kind of tame your brows. But for me, that's really all I need is just the color and the brushing it into place. So now we're going to do it on the other side. And the same thing. Go ahead and just build that line in with the brow wiz, connecting to the arch. I got a great tip from this lady in Portland here that I just got my brows done from, and use this as a guide here, and you can make sure, put this straight and you can make sure that they start in the same place. So when I do that, I can see this one isn't quite as far in as that one, and then you can really, you know, try to get them to match, which is awesome since obviously we want our brows to match. So it's kind of a nice trick. So building in again with the brow definer, filling that in a little. I don't think I did that line super perfect. And when you're doing this at home, definitely prop your elbow on a counter or a table or something, because that's going to make it just even easier. I can't quite do that when I'm filming. Okay, and then same thing. You can make sure they match on the top also, or as close as you can get it. Definitely the brow wiz, the tinier one. Touch up the ends a little bit. Alright, and there we have brows. Just using these two very easy products from Anastasia Beverly Hills, using the brow wiz and brow definer, both in ebony. And they have tons of different colors, so you could definitely go to Ulta or go to Sephora and, you know, have someone match you for whatever color would be best for you. Thank you for sticking with me to the end of the video. I hope you maybe picked up a few tips that would help you with your brows. And let me know how it goes. Let me know if you have a favorite brow product that is different. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Have a wonderful week. One of my friends recommended, you know, doing something like this that's a little bit more specific on how to do one thing. So let me know if there are other specific things that you would like to see how to do, and I will see if I can do them.